Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you a simple yet powerful technique for automating tasks and improving your workflow as a system admin. Specifically, you'll learn how to send messages from a Linux server directly to a Telegram bot or group. This is a great way to stay on top of important server events like backup completions or service status changes. Instead of manually checking logs or waiting for email notifications, you can get real-time updates straight to your phone. Alright, let's get our hands dirty and jump straight into the setup process. First, let's create a Telegram bot if we don't have one already. We'll use BotFather, a special bot on Telegram for creating other bots. Open your Telegram and in the search box, type BotFather. This is the one. Open a new window. Let me minimize the other one. Okay. Type /start to activate the bot. To create a new bot, type /new bot. As you can see here, there are many other options. For now, let's choose /new bot to create a new bot. Alright, as you can see here, a new bot, how are you going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Let's follow the prompts. Give your bot a name, a unique name, and a unique username. Username must end with bot or bot. Let's give bot name. Let's say lock server Telegram. Congratulations, you just created a new bot. As you can see here, the name of my bot is lock server Telegram, and the username is @lock server Telegram bot. Of course, all with underscores. You can check using my bots. This will show you the list of bots I've created here. This is the second one. Okay, this is the list. The name of the bot is lock server Telegram, and the username is lock_server_ Telegram_ bot. And this is my API token. Since this is a video for learning purpose, I've not hidden it. I'll be deleting this bot anyway after. And the next step is to add this to a group. I've already created a group by the name Linux Telegram. Let me open with a new tab again. Let me minimize it. And let's add the name of the username is lock_server_ Telegram_ bot. You can copy the whole thing, type it here. Okay, you can add it. Add. Are you sure to blah blah blah? Okay, add it. Let's check here. Yes, lock server Telegram. We already are in this Linux Telegram group. So in that group, you will be able to send. Now let's get our chat ID. The syntax is, this is the syntax. This is my API token. Replace your API token here. So this is the full URL. Let me copy here. Okay, this is the full URL. Go to any browser of your choice and press enter. Wow. Okay, note down your group ID. The next step is to create a script that will send messages to your Telegram bot or group. This is the syntax. I've already written down here, replaced with my bot token, and this is my group ID or chat ID. Okay, let's write a message. Hello, this message is sent from my Linux server. Let's copy it here. Now open your Linux server. I already have a script file here. Now let me create a new script file by the name sendmessage.sh. Paste here. Save it. Let's make it executable. Okay, send message. Okay, let's check here. What this script does is it uses the Telegram bot API to send a message to your specified chat. You just need to replace your API token and chat ID with the values you got earlier. We have already done that. Now let's run this command to send messages. Okay, you can run bash send message. Okay, before sending, let me open my group. Let me minimize it here so that you can see live. Okay, we haven't got any message yet. Now let's enter. Wow, amazing. Let me now try to edit the message. Hello, this message is sent from my Linux server. Let's say again. Save it. Send it. Check here. Again. Good. Easy, right? If everything is set up correctly, you should see your message pop up in your Telegram group. As we can see here, it's really simple. If you want to automate this process, you can also use cron jobs. I've already made a video. You can use cron to automate your alerts using this same step. That's it. You have successfully set up a Telegram bot, configured it to send messages from your Linux server, and also learned how to automate it with cron jobs. As a system admin, receiving instant notifications about important events can save you a lot of time and ensure you're always in the loop. You can set up alerts for anything from backup completions to system status changes. Just make sure to keep your API token secure and avoid overloading your chat with too many messages. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.